Patriotic Alliance leader Gayton McKenzie has announced he will resign as a Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture next week, as his party serves ties with the African National Congress across all levels of government. The dramatic move, confirmed in a lengthy Facebook statement on Thursday, marks the collapse of the uneasy coalition between the two parties and signals a major realignment in local and national politics. McKenzie accused the ANC of bad faith, political betrayal and disrespect, particularly in Gauteng, where the PA says it has been sidelined in key appointments despite compromising for the sake of coalition stability. Tensions first flared in Ekurhuleni, where McKenzie claims the ANC bowed to EFF demands to exclude the PA from the governing arrangement. In Johannesburg, the PA initially secured two portfolios, human settlement and roads and transport, but later agreed to hand over human settlements to the IFP at the ANC's request. McKenzie said we were the only party willing to do that. The PA was left with the roads and transport portfolio held by PA Deputy President Kenny Kunene, but Kunene resigned after public backlash, with the party insisting it would withdraw him voluntarily to spare the coalition further controversy. When the PA proposed Liam Jacobs as Kunene's replacement, the ANC's Gauteng leadership, led by Johannesburg Mayor and Regional Chairperson Dada Morero, rejected the nomination, citing his lack of experience. McKenzie dismissed this explanation, arguing Jacobs was more qualified than others already serving in similar roles, and said he already was an MP at a young age, adding that the real reason was Morero's alleged promise of the position to the EFF. Efforts to reinstate Kunene after he was cleared also failed. Deepening the rift, McKenzie said Kunene is still waiting. The final straw, according to McKenzie, came during a water crisis in Westbury, New Clare and Coronationville. Residents, frustrated by prolonged shortages, threatened to block the N1 highway before McKenzie persuaded them to stay at a local demonstration instead. He accused police of using heavy-handed tactics by opening fire on the community, while Mayor Morero's subsequent pledge of 16 water trucks failed to materialize. McKenzie says he was forced to arrange private water trucks for residents through a friend. The incident prompted the PA to issue a 7-day ultimatum to the ANC to reinstate Kunene, an ultimatum that has since expired. McKenzie confirmed he will resign from the cabinet on Tuesday and the PA, and that all PA leaders deployed in national, provincial and local government will also vacate their post, and that we shall all go to the ground. Never forget the biggest lesson here. You can remain to dine at the table when disrespect is on the menu. We opt to live rather on Spaisani Salute. The withdrawal represents the PA's most decisive political gamble yet, potentially altering coalition dynamics in Gauteng, metros, and shaking up the ANC's already fragile alliances at national level. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.